So the mechanical department has three opportunities when it comes to financing. There's GA, which is called graduate assistantship, TA, which is teaching assistantship, and
Okay.
RA, which is research assistantship.
Okay.
So RA will pay you the most. It's about $1,200 a month. Teaching is I know very less people from ME department who have secured a TA.
Okay.
People from the industrial engineering, they get a lot of TA positions,
Okay.
but not from ME. But TA will pay you about, I think, $400 or $600 per month, and GA is the least, and that's around $400 per month. So the process is you get an email at the end of semester from the departmental chair saying that people interested in considering for these roles, please submit some basic information and a copy of your resume and I think a cover letter. So because of this, it's said that it's very difficult to get these kind of fundings in your first semester. So, but that's not the case if you come 2 weeks early, 3 weeks early. If you start speaking with the professor, if the professor likes you, if you start researching with that professor, then you can get funding right from day one. Well, so the one one great thing about Clemson is if you get any of these three things, your entire tuition fee for that semester is waived off. And if you get it for one semester, you would be getting that till you graduate. So if I get GA in my first semester, I will have GA until the time I graduate. So it works that way. I mean, it's not a written rule, but that's how it works. So once it's assigned to a student, it stays with the student till he graduates. If you get GA, TAR, anything, the tuition fee, which is right now I think about $11,000 per semester, that is completely waived, but you have to pay some minor fee about $1,200 for the semester. That is for the insurance. So the biggest initial expense that I remember as of now is the deposit which I told you, which is equal to the first month's rent. So we had to pay $1,000 deposit, and on the day we moved in my apartment, we had to pay the first month's rent. But again, when you go there, you can open a bank account in Bank of America, which is right in front of where you would be living, about 5 minutes walk. So once you open a bank account, they give you 2 credit cards, even if you don't have a credit history. So the rest of the expenses that can go on credit cards. So okay, so I'll just break it down for you. The fees are around 11,000 per semester, and again, international students, I think they cannot take less than 3 courses except for the last semester. The last semester will allow you to take what is called as a reduced workload, where you can take just one course, but the rest of the semesters you have to be enrolled in 3 or more courses. But if you enroll in 4 courses, the fee stays the same. So 3 or more courses, the fee won't increase. And for living, I would say around $500 to $600 per month should be good enough. The university offers the health insurance, which is a bit costly. I think it's about $1,000 or $1,200 for a semester. But again, if you get assistantship, even that you don't have to pay full amount. You have to pay part of that insurance amount. And I would highly recommend going with the university insurance, because we have what you call, not a hospital but a small clinic on campus. And if you were to go to that clinic, it's very easy if you have the university insurance, because if you don't have university insurance, then you have to pay upfront, and then you have to fight with your insurance agency to get that money reimbursed.